Imagine this. You open your eyes feeling a sense of weightlessness. A soft, blue glow bathes your room, casting an ethereal light on everything around you. It's not the morning sun peeking through the curtains. It's Earth, hanging in the black velvet of space. You're not just dreaming, this is your reality. You're on the moon, a guest at the first lunar space hotel. Sound impossible? Think again. It might be closer than you think. Advances in technology are making the unimaginable possible. We stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration where dreams become tangible. Private companies and government agencies are collaborating like never before, pooling resources and expertise. The goal? To make space accessible to everyone, not just astronauts. Imagine ordinary people experiencing zero gravity, and what better way to do that than with a luxurious out-of-this-world hotel, a place where the extraordinary becomes ordinary. A lunar space hotel isn't just a cool idea, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and our relentless drive to explore. It's a testament to our creativity and ambition. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging limits, and daring to dream bigger than ever before. It's about making the impossible possible. And with every technological hurdle we overcome, that dream inches closer to reality. Each step forward brings us nearer to a future where space is within reach for all. Why build a hotel on the moon? It's a question that sparks the imagination and opens up a world of possibilities. Why not a space station in Earth's orbit, where we already have the International Space Station, or a resort on Mars, the red planet that has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike for generations? The moon holds a unique appeal that sets it apart from other celestial bodies. It's close enough for relatively quick travel, allowing for more frequent visits. This proximity makes it an ideal location for short-term stays and return trips. This proximity also means communication delays are minimal, a key factor for both operations and guest comfort. Real-time communication is crucial for safety and coordination. The moon also offers breathtaking views that are unlike anything seen on Earth. Imagine gazing out at a sky filled with stars, unobstructed by any atmosphere. The clarity of the night sky is unparalleled. Or witnessing Earthrise, a sight that has captivated astronauts for decades. This iconic view is a reminder of our place in the universe. These experiences alone would make a lunar hotel a sought-after destination. The allure of such unique experiences would draw tourists from around the world. Beyond tourism, a lunar base has immense scientific value. It offers a platform for groundbreaking research and discoveries. It could serve as a research station for astronomy, providing a vantage point free from Earth's atmospheric distortions, geology, allowing scientists to study the moon's composition and history, and even medicine, where low gravity could lead to new medical breakthroughs. The moon's low gravity and lack of atmosphere create a unique environment for conducting experiments and testing new technologies. This could pave the way for future space exploration and innovation. Of course, building a space hotel on the moon is no easy feat. We face numerous challenges, each more daunting than the last. The cost alone is astronomical, requiring significant investment from both governments and private companies. Radiation is another major concern. The moon lacks a protective atmosphere, exposing inhabitants to harmful cosmic rays and solar flares. We need to develop effective shielding to safeguard guests and staff from these invisible threats. Sustainability is also crucial. We must minimize our impact on the lunar environment and ensure the hotel's long-term viability. This includes developing closed-loop systems for air, water, and waste management. Despite these challenges, innovative solutions are emerging. One promising approach is to construct the hotel using lunar regolith, the loose, dusty material covering the moon's surface. Regolith can be processed into a concrete-like substance, providing a readily available and sustainable building material. 3D printing technology could then be employed to create complex structures from this lunar concrete. Public-private partnerships will be essential to fund and execute this ambitious project. Collaboration between space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin will pool resources, expertise, and ambition, turning this lunar dream into a shared reality. Modular design is another key element. The hotel could be constructed in stages with individual modules added over time. This approach allows for flexibility, scalability, and reduced upfront costs, making the project more manageable and financially viable. Section 5. A Celestial Getaway. Imagine this. You've arrived at the Lunar Hotel after a thrilling journey aboard a sleek, reusable spacecraft. You step inside and are greeted by a spacious, futuristic lobby with floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing the majestic lunar landscape. Your room isn't just a place to sleep, it's an experience in itself. Imagine relaxing in zero gravity, floating effortlessly in the center of your suite, or gazing out at the stars while enjoying a gourmet meal prepared with fresh ingredients grown in the hotel's hydroponic gardens. The hotel wouldn't just cater to relaxation. It could offer a range of exciting activities from lunar rover excursions to simulated low-gravity sports. Guests could even experience controlled walks on the lunar surface, donning advanced spacesuits designed for comfort and mobility. Section 6. Countdown to Lunar Luxury. The dream of a lunar space hotel may seem like a distant future, but the timeline is becoming increasingly ambitious, with projects like NASA's Artemis program paving the way for a sustained human presence on the moon. The infrastructure for a lunar hotel could be in place sooner than we think. By 2035, we could see significant progress habitats built, resources utilized, and technologies tested. The first commercial flights to the moon could be operational, carrying not just astronauts, but also eager tourists ready to experience the ultimate adventure. Of course, challenges remain, but with each successful mission, each technological breakthrough, the possibility of a lunar getaway transforms from science fiction to an achievable goal. Section 7. The Ethics of Extraterrestrial Tourism. As we venture beyond Earth, we must address the ethical implications of lunar tourism. Preserving the pristine lunar environment is paramount. Strict protocols will be necessary to manage waste, prevent contamination, and minimize our footprint on this celestial neighbor. Equitable access is another crucial consideration. Will lunar tourism be accessible only to the wealthy, or can we make it affordable and available to people from all walks of life? These questions require careful thought and inclusive solutions to ensure a just and equitable future for space exploration. We must also consider the potential impact on future generations. Our actions today will shape the future of space exploration and our relationship with celestial bodies like the moon. We have a responsibility to act responsibly, sustainably, and with a long-term perspective. Section 8. From Science Fiction to Science Fact. For centuries, humans have gazed up at the moon, dreaming of the day we might touch its surface, explore its mysteries, and perhaps even call it home, if only for a little while. The moon has always been a source of wonder and inspiration, a celestial body that has sparked countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. From ancient astronomers to modern-day scientists, the moon has captivated our imagination and driven us to learn more about our place in the universe. What was once the realm of science fiction is now within our grasp, fueled by technological innovation, global collaboration, and an unyielding spirit of exploration. The advancements in space technology over the past few decades have been nothing short of extraordinary. From the development of powerful rockets to the establishment of the International Space Station, humanity has made significant strides in our quest to explore the cosmos. A lunar space hotel may seem like a bold ambition, but it's precisely these audacious goals that push the boundaries of human achievement. Imagine a place where tourists can experience the low gravity of the moon, gaze at the Earth from a distance, and participate in groundbreaking scientific research. These visions are not just dreams, they are the driving force behind our continuous efforts to innovate and explore. By daring to dream big, to reach for the stars, we ignite our collective imagination, inspire future generations, and unlock unforeseen possibilities. The idea of space tourism and lunar colonization opens up new frontiers for human ingenuity and creativity. It challenges us to think beyond our current limitations and to envision a future where space travel is accessible to all. The journey to building a lunar space hotel will be challenging, demanding, and undoubtedly filled with surprises. It will require unprecedented levels of cooperation between nations, private companies, and scientific communities. The technical and logistical hurdles are immense, but so are the potential rewards. But the rewards, expanding our understanding of the universe, unlocking new technologies, and inspiring humankind, make this endeavor not just worthwhile, but essential. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, we pave the way for future generations to continue this journey of exploration and discovery. The moon is just the beginning. The stars await. Section 9, the final frontier awaits. The universe beckons. The moon, once a distant and unattainable orb in the night sky, is becoming our next destination. A lunar space hotel, once a fantastical notion, is now a tangible possibility, a testament to human ingenuity and our boundless capacity to dream. As we stand on the precipice of this new era of space exploration, let us remember the words of Carl Sagan. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Let us explore, discover, and build a future where the wonders of the cosmos are no longer a distant dream, but an experience shared by all. The final frontier awaits. Let's make it a reality.